What we know about 3D printing is exciting, but what we don't know about it is even more exciting. I'm Terry Wohlers, Head of Market Intelligence and Additive Manufacturing with Wohlers Associates, powered by ASTM International. Authentic. I heard about it first in 1987. I believe it was early in the year. Stereolithography from a friend who published a newsletter, and I was just astounded when the company sent me a full-scale automotive part and a video, and that's what triggered my excitement around the technology. I guess a fairly recent book I read was titled Riding Rockets by an astronaut, Mike Mullane. And absolutely fascinating story. And so it's humorous and it's educational, and I highly recommend it. Most recently, 3D printed homes. I think the large-scale printers will become popular for many applications, but the same rules will apply. The more complex the shape, the part consolidation, doing types of parts and products that you couldn't do previously with conventional methods. That's where it'll apply at all scales, small all the way to as large as homes and even bigger. I would say in the short term it's going to be, and it is today, healthcare, also aerospace, and some consumer products. It will be difficult to buy or even see a product that wasn't touched in some way by 3D printing and additive manufacturing. What we know about 3D printing is exciting, but what we don't know about it is even more exciting. The young generation that's going to create new ideas, new products, new ways of thinking and producing products that will improve our lives in many, many ways. So the future is so exciting. I wish I could live another 50 or 100 years, because I think, like I say, what we don't know is super exciting.